I welcome you back in day 12 of typing tutorial. Today I will give a first practice exercise on home row plus top row. You have to type the given paragraph, that is starting from QDEFT to JJOPK for about at least meaning minimum you have to type 45 times. You can type more than that also. I will recommend you that you type this paragraph until and unless your finger get comfortable on home row plus top row. While typing, you must also take care that you should avoid the use of backspace key. At the beginning, type the given paragraph slowly and later on increase your speed. If possible, type the above paragraph without doing a single mistake. And if you want the PDF or the PDF link of this paragraph, I will give it in the description. Check it in the description. That's it, that much. Thank you so much.